Hi everybody, my name is John Watt. I'm the founder and CEO of Stout Tanks and Kettles, and we're going to be talking about some various parts and products. What I've got today, I have a box, and we're going to open it up and see what it is. We have something clear, the little end caps, clear end caps. Look at that. I'll put these down so we can see them. So what these are, they have a tri-clamp edge around there so they can be clamped on to a kettle and you can use them as a viewing port. Just to show you how they work, I just happen to have in my pocket today ferrule, which is what would be on the tank. I also happen to have a gasket and a clamp. So, how does this go together? Take your end cap, gasket, and ferrule, put them together, use a clamp, and there we go. So that would be the end of your tank, and you can peek in there and see what's going on inside that tank. Very inexpensive and effective way to add a viewing port to your tank. Thanks again, we'll see you next time.